Hi, my name's Aisha and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Cricut hat press. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. In the box you will find a Cricut hat press, heat-resistant cradle, warranty information and user guide, purple strong grip heat-resistant tape and a hat form. Remove the Cricut hat press from the box along with any packaging wrapped around it. Download the Cricut Heat app onto your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the hat press. Any firmware updates will also be completed at this time. Your hat press is now ready to use. The hat press can be used with the Cricut Heat app or manually using the buttons on the machine. To manually change the temperature, press the thermometer button. This will change the heat setting to low, medium or high. Once the hat press has reached the desired heat, the play button will turn green and a beep will sound. To use the Cricut hat press with the Cricut Heat app, ensure the machine is powered on. Select the hat press from the home screen and your phone will then connect via Bluetooth to the machine. Use the drop-down menu to set the transfer material type and what it is being applied to. Click Next. The next screen will then show you the recommended settings to press your project at, as well as what you'll need. You'll then see on screen how long it will take for your hat press to heat up. Once it has reached the desired temperature, the play button will turn green and a beep will sound. To secure your hat onto the form, undo the band on the back if your hat has one. Then pull down the sweatband and remove any packaging from the hat such as cardboard inserts. Place the hat onto the form and position as desired. Once happy, do up the band on the back of the hat. You can then begin pressing. Thanks for joining me for this video. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project or learn a new skill. If you found this video useful, leave a like and a comment below as we love to see them. See you again soon for more videos.